In my new book, Healthy Boards, Successful Schools, there are numerous points that I tried to make in the 384 pages of the book. But in the introduction, my attempt is to kind of set the tone for what the rest of the material is. And in the introduction, I talk about two related issues. One is uniformity and one is unity. What is the difference between those two? And what do they have to do with healthy boards and successful schools? It's a question that I am often asked. Uniformity is not necessarily a strength, but unity is. Uniformity has to do with sameness and everybody acting and thinking alike. That's not what this book is about, and that's not what I am trying to achieve. On the other hand, unity is something that I think is vital to the health and success of the school. Not everybody thinking together, but everybody working together for the common good. What is our agenda? Our agenda is to make the school stronger and better. We can do that if we're working together. Not if we're all thinking alike, but if we're all working alike, working as a team, and moving forward in that idea. I know that we live in a culture in which that idea is not necessarily embraced. There's this concept that conflict is the way in which to resolve issues. I don't believe that works in this setting. I believe in this setting, unity makes the most sense for schools and heads in terms of moving forward. Let's work together as a team. That's what's going to make a difference. That's what's ultimately going to be the success for the school. If you want to learn more about my book and you want to visit my website, I encourage you to do so. WilliamRMottPhD.com. Thank you.